So I had a company gift me this hair crimping iron. Now the unit did come with 2 different clips. So this unit has a nice LED display. Now here are all your controls. This is your on off button. This button is your timer. It goes 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, or 10 seconds. These 2 buttons will control your temperature, and when it reaches that temperature, it will beep. So full disclosure, I have never used one of these ever. So if it comes messed up, it's really not the unit's fault, it's user error. So let's go ahead and see how this does. So it definitely gave me a beach type wave. So this is the before hair, this is the after hair. So as you can see the difference between my hair, this gives like more of a beach wave type style, and my hair is super straight. So not too bad for being an amateur. So I'm sure over time I'll get better with this unit. As like I told you, this is the very first time that I've ever tried it. So all in all, if you're like me and you have super straight hair and sometimes you just want a little beach wave, then this double barrel would definitely suit your purpose.